Hello, Jolie from Ellis here. We're here today at 92 William Street in Long Eaton, a 3-bedroom detached property that's been fully refurbished and modernised. Even on the gloomiest of days, the property still shines, and I hope you'll agree. Let's go and have a look. So as you come through into the entrance hallway, which is nice, light and airy, it leads you through to the downstairs WC. You've got the separate front lounge here, which is again nice and light, and then through to the expansive kitchen diner. So we're now in the spacious kitchen diner with newly fitted grey glass cabinets. As you can agree, they're a lovely touch to make this a perfect family home, with integrated fridge freezer, newly fitted boiler, induction hob and cooker. This is the perfect space. You can imagine it here with dining table. You can have breakfast stools. This is the perfect space for a family. Upstairs we have 3 good-sized bedrooms and a newly fitted family bathroom, which is nice and modern. It's got a gorgeous rain shower and porcelanosa tiles. Take a look. So we're here now in the rear garden, which is fully enclosed with a patio area. This leads from the French doors from the kitchen diner. We've also got a brick-built detached garage with electric up and over door, and it's also got side access to the rear. If you would like to view this property, give us a call on 0115 946 1818. This is 92 William Street. Definitely come and view.